In today's video, we'll be discussing how artificial intelligence is changing the way we use social media. From natural language processing to recommendation engines, there are several AI technologies that are transforming the social media landscape. Natural language processing, one of the most commonly used AI technologies in social media, or NLP. NLP is used to analyze text data from social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook to identify trends, sentiment, and topics. This information is then used to improve customer service, identify potential issues or crises, and track the success of social media campaigns. Image and video recognition. Another AI technology that's changing social media is image and video recognition. AI-powered image and video recognition technology is used to identify and tag images and videos on social media platforms. This allows social media platforms to provide more accurate search results, and it enables advertisers to target their ads based on the content of users' posts. Chatbots and virtual assistants are another AI-powered tool that's gaining popularity on social media. These tools can interact with users on social media platforms, answering questions, providing customer support, and even making purchases. This technology is becoming increasingly popular as businesses seek to improve their customer service and engagement on social media. Recommendation engines are an AI technology that's changing the way social media platforms provide personalized content to their users. Recommendation engines use machine learning algorithms to analyze user data and provide personalized recommendations that are more likely to be relevant and useful. So, there you have it. AI technologies are transforming the way we use social media. From improving customer service to providing personalized content, AI is making social media a more effective and engaging platform for users and businesses alike. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative uses of AI in social media in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.